So here's a helpful tool for teachers if they maybe want to get to know a little bit more about their individual students. Um, they can create something like a Google survey or Google quiz. So you see here we have all these questions. How much do you like group work? How much do you like watching videos in class? All these things to help have a better idea of what your class is so you can match your classroom curriculum to the students specifically. So as you see here, you can send out a link for the survey and have your students fill it out. And you get a little summary here. So if you wanted to assign points to all the questions, if there was a right or wrong answer and you had a quiz, it would show you the point distribution, but because there's no points, everyone has 0. You can see in the little bar graph here who voted for what. And it gives you a good idea of what percentage of your class or who in your class likes what.